OptimizePress and how to connect Aweber is what I'm gonna share with you in this video. Things I'm gonna share with you in this video because I had some small issues with myself, but it was pretty easy to set it all up. So to integrations, and you click on new, add new integration, use Aweber myself, so that's why I share how to connect that to OptimizePress. You click on connect again. There's one more thing you need to do. You need to go to your funnels and choose the particular opt-in page you're going to use for Aweber. So, and funnel dashboard using, and then you see this edit link. And then you're going to choose edit and optimize builder. So now we're on the edit mode of this page, and make sure you put the cursor outside for instance the field for the email or all of the other fields, and the submit button. Click outside here, and then you will see a menu coming up. This small envelope, you click on that. And here we have our Aweber connected. We're going to click on edit integration. So you see Aweber. You can add email, webhook, or Zapier, but we're going to click on this. We're going to mark Aweber, and then we're going to click this green button. And just follow step by step all the different steps here. You choose the list you want to add. I have my list already there because I already have it added before I disconnected, just to show you how to set it up. Here you can enter tags as well, but then we click on the green button again. And then we come to the next step with form fields. The fields that you have on your capture form, on your capture page, opt-in page. I only use emails, so I'm going to mark that. And then we go to the next step. Here you can add extra fields if you want to in your form. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click the green button again. Here you can choose to show GDPR text or not, show to EU visitors only, EU, or show to all visitors. Then when you set up your choices, then you click on next. I'm gonna connect next funnel in page because I have 3-step funnel, but you can choose any one of these if you want to redirect to URL, for instance, a specific funnel page. I have a next funnel page, so and then I will click the green button, and here you will see all the settings you have set up. And when you're done, then satisfied with what you see here, you just click the green button for this opt-in page, and you see all steps are complete. Click on done. All you have to do now is to save your page, and you're all set up and good to go. If you want to get started with OptimizePress, you need to click the link